Hi everyone, my name's George and I have a fun position in product development here at Stampin' Up. I also enjoy carrying craft supplies and totes. But enough about me, I want to talk to you about the real star of the show, our new Craft and Carry Tote. The first thing you'll notice about this tote are the gorgeous Stampin' Up colors that are mixed in throughout it. One thing I really love and something I think you'll appreciate is that our in-house designers actually designed this tote with crafting in mind, which is a big deal when it comes to fitting the things you need while keeping it organized. The next thing you'll notice is the strong, beautiful canvas fabric on the outside of the tote. I love this type of fabric for a tote because it makes it really easy to clean and keep looking nice. Okay, let's talk storage. This tote has unbelievable storage capability. You just saw me pull out a whole bunch of product, and guess what? I still have room to fit a little bit more. So if you're going on a trip, hosting a workshop, or even hanging out with friends, you will love being able to fit and organize your crafting supplies. Now if you noticed, even though I had this thing full of product, it didn't expand or bulge, but it stayed nice and slender. To me, that's a big deal because I like it to look nice and tidy all the time. Now let's take a look inside. You'll see that we have a nice soft liner with plenty of space and pockets along the inside. Another favorite of mine are these removable dividers. There are 4 dividers that can be configured to your liking, which really helps you keep things organized. On the outside, we have 3 open pockets that can hold things like punches, markers, tools, your phone, or anything like that. Now these pockets are lined on the inside and incredibly strong. You'll notice the 2 zippered pockets. We have one in the front that is about the length of a Stampin' Right marker, and one large one in the back that runs the length of the bag. Now these zippers are really nice and big with the Stampin' Up logo engraved on them, so it's pretty cool. There are 2 other Stampin' Up logos as well. We've got the badge on the front and this gorgeous fob that's removable so you can take it off and move it throughout the bag anywhere you'd like. The ink pads and markers are best stored flat, and the tote is a nifty way to transport them but not to store them. For carrying the tote, we have 2 beautifully colored strong handles and 1 removable shoulder strap that is very easy to adjust in length. It has swivels on the hooks so the strap doesn't get twisted, and a nice thick comfortable shoulder pad. On the bottom of the tote we have these nice little feet to help keep it clean. When you take your supplies out of the tote, you'll notice that it lies flat, which really helps for easy storage. You might be asking yourself, okay, I'm loving this tote and I want it. So how can I get it? Well, you can get the tote in your Stampin' Up starter kit as option 2 during celebration. You heard me right. This is an exclusive offer for new recruits. So in the US, that's $129, and you get $175 worth of products and the Craft and Carry Tote to carry around all of that new amazing product. So be sure to contact your local demonstrator or visit stampinup.com today.